light up the weed, oh yeah. Dog, nothing no day off it broken. Split for me a roll bigger than a brown bread. And it bring me to the sky for me see the drone them. Bring me to the sky for me see the drone them. Yeah, it bring me to the sky for me see the drone them. Bring me to the sky for me see the drone them. Yeah, it bring me to the
It's K-Charm. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair review on an Amazon company called BLY Hair. This hair is very, very nice. As you can see, it's a bob. It's kinky curly and I'm wearing it in 14 inches. I mean, it doesn't look like 14 inches, but when you stretch it, it reaches there. I've never worn a kinky curly hair texture, period. And I am like excited, like nobody could tell me this is not my hair. Like, come on. Come on. Look at the slayage. The hair is very soft. It has great quality. And another thing that's a plus is the fullness of this hair. It's supposed to be 150 density, and girls, this hair is like full, like full. Oh my god, like I don't know where they get their hair from, but it is some good ass hair. Like, it's good. Keep on watching. Before I get started with the install, I wanted to also mention the construction of the cap. The wig comes with 4 combs on the inside, 3 at the top, 1 at the bottom. It is a lace frontal wig, and it has lace at the back in case you want to like do a updo style. Alright guys, so this is how the wig is looking so far on my head. I did go ahead and pluck it some. It does come pre-plucked, but I did just go ahead and pluck it to my liking. But I love this hair, and it's freaking soft. Like, sis, you need to get this. I didn't even bleach the knots, guys. Like, look at that. Like, nobody could tell me nothing. I'm a bad bitch. Right here, I'm applying the black Got to Be glue to my forehead. I'm going to be using 2 layers and then the freeze spray. As you can see, I have some residue left over from the glue, so I'm going in with some alcohol to get rid of that. not have a hot comb, but I was being creative and I used this method instead. But wait until I take off that elastic band though, like wait for it. I want to know if y'all really seeing this though, like, are y'all really seeing this? Melted, like, melted. Welliest ago. No lace over here, sis. None at all. Not at all. As far as styling, I think I'm gonna do a side part just because I want to show off my baby hairs. Do y'all see how defined my curls are though? Like, look at them. Honestly, this hair looks great wet or dry. Like, oh my God. Who? Look at that, guys.
Light up the weed, oh yeah. Got nothing no day off the token. Speak for me, a roll bigger than a brown bread. And it bring me to the sky for me, see the drone them. Bring me to the sky for me, see.
Alright, guys. This is how it turned out. I am in love with this hair. Like, what? Sis, what? And the fact that I didn't even bleach the knots. Like, come on, sis. I'm in love. I'm just in love. I'm in love. Like, I'm lost for words. At this point, I'm lost for words. Nobody can tell me this ain't my hair. Nobody can tell me stand on my ear. I'm a whole coolie now. Nobody could talk to me. Coolie thing. You guys need to get this hair. If you're interested, the link will be in the description box below. And thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this on how I slay my hair, subscribe down below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And to all my subscribers, thank you for making me reach to 30 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Continue supporting me. I love you guys. Bye.